Well, let's see if Lowe's has got my mower on a cloudy day. Alright, let's see what we got here. This looks like a battery here. This is the battery charger. Right here. Okay. These two guys look like they're batteries. Cool. Looks like it has 2 bars on it. And a second battery. That's one good thing. One of the good things that sold me on this lawnmower was coming with 2 batteries and a charger. Looks like it's in good shape. Press the button here. It's got 2 bars. Cool. I think I'm going to get this thing charged up here. I'm not showing that I'm charging it up, but got it on the charger over there. Alright, this is the bagger for this, which I probably won't use. The one thing that, another reason why I got this mower was for the side discharge. That's the bag there. Okay. So far, so good. So this is the handle. This is the side discharge thing I'm going to put on there. Definitely packed really well. Looks like I need to put this dog here. This. Lift this more out. Should be able to lift this puppy dog out of here without killing myself too much. There we go. Alright, here it is. I definitely like the low profile here. Take the glasses off. directions. These, the screw here, hopefully you can see this. Just a little bit. There we go. Yeah, that's going to be a good push right there. Alright. Adjustable deck here. Oh, nice and easy that goes. Handle looks like it's cracked. Just have to pop it back in. Wow. 7 position. That's pretty cool. Let me take a look on the underside here. No battery in here. That's in good shape. Alright. Now the side discharge deal here has got to go on here. So it goes just like that. That was easy. Yeah, this does not require a PhD at all to get going here at all. This sets up nice. Wow. Okay, I'm going to read the directions, make sure I didn't miss any steps before I put the battery in and turn it on and show you first startup. I want to take a couple seconds here to show you these 80-volt lithium-ion batteries and charger. This thing actually has a fan on it. You can probably hear it. But they say it takes about a half an hour to charge up a fully discharged battery. So we'll see how it goes. Alright, time to read the directions. I think I got it set up good. Can't wait to try this out. Okay, I just got done reading through the manuals here and noticed a couple of things. I don't know if the salesman forgot to tell me this or not, but on the charger unit, it has a 3-year hassle-free warranty. And since this is a Lowe's product, you just take it into Lowe's and right there and you're good to go. And the batteries themselves is a 3-year warranty. And then on the mower, has a 5-year hassle-free warranty on it. So, pretty good. And it looks like the battery charger in the battery is good to go. I see 3 solid green lights, so I'm going to install the battery and test fire this thing, see how it goes. Alright, I've got the battery here, fully charged. got 3 lights on it. I'm going to install. Click. Pop. Okay. Let's fire this dog up. Cool. All right. Sweet. I want to do a shout out to Russ and Brandon at the local Lowe's store here for helping me put this in the back of the truck.